This is Jim from OutFarming.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth to create a picture or image of your field for use in my Planter Monitor version that has mapping. So I'm going to take and slide my finger up here and start up the Google Earth that I downloaded from the internet. And let's say we take this back to where we're at and then go find our farm. So up here is a icon for the search, and I'm going to use go to Boone, Iowa. I'll get rid of this picture down at the bottom, X that out of there, and I'll slide around here, and I will use this field right here at the corner of Boone as an example. So I've located the field I want kind of from here to here. I didn't really want to pin. And I'm going to capture the image of that field by pressing the down volume and the on-off key at the same time briefly. And it's a little bit tricky. I think you have to do it fast. And then I'm going to go down here and click the back button and hit the home button and go to my gallery, and there it is. Now I'll show you how to import that into the mapping software in the next tutorial.